DJ's Prestige Sports, where we just acquired this lovely car. It's not our usual stock, it's going to be part exchange, but it's in lovely condition. As you can see, it's got the front park distance control, alloy wheels, body work for its age is in lovely condition, rear park distance control, boot area is in good condition, been looked after. It's got a comprehensive service history and the recent CAMBELT and water pump has been changed. Seats are in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Some 116,305 miles. It's got DAB radio, media, Bluetooth connectivity, AUX, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. It's a nice spec Golf. Good value for money. At DJH we have full dealer facilities. If you have any further questions, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.